start with, where we had the performance management platform with the AWS, which was actually providing all of that underlying infrastructure to kind of look into, you know, the cloud-based infrastructure to actually gain all of those efficiencies. And then we kind of looked into some of the new practices in terms of extracting more value, which is basically the level 0 of manual operations and maintenance, right? When it comes to TMF's autonomous network maturity model, then we sort of like, you know, looked into like what that unified assurance, and when I say the MYCOM OSI's unified assurance journey, using AWS, and how are we actually consolidating all of that network and IT infrastructure to kind of bring in the different domains, as I actually said before, different vendors, different technologies, right? And then kind of like, you know, moving into the digital service assurance to go from network related observability to actually services related observability when you're rolling out the 4G, 5G services or broadband services or enterprise services and things, right? So that's actually bringing in the service and customer assurance together. So then we moved into some of the operational automation to kind of, you know, do some of the automated remediation capabilities, which was actually quite important to achieving that goal of autonomous network and approaching level 3 of that automation, which is where we are currently progressing towards using all of that good work that's actually been established using this partnership, right? With the closed loop automation, with the Globe Network Operations Center and Service Operations Center, with all kind of approaching towards that autonomous capabilities. So then, as we actually move into the future, which is what we will also be describing as part of the future partnership, right? The AI-based automation. What is AI Ops? How is it actually bringing together? So Trista will also actually be going together, you know, to take through some of those use cases, how we are jointly approaching some of those use cases to kind of move towards that, you know, predictive anomaly-based detection, as well as actually correlating those RCAs through machine learning models and large language models and so on. And then that is the one that will actually take you towards that journey, towards that, you know, the automated, not but fully autonomous network, which will actually improve that network efficiencies. But how do you actually address that quality of experience and quality of service to Globe's customers and how they are addressing that future?